From the streets where the red flags fly to the roar under Istanbul's sky, every heartbeat hits like thunder, every doubt gets pulled under. Dust on boots, fire in the chest, we came this far, we know the test. Not for glory carved in stone, for every voice that sings us home. Hands up now, the night is shaking, one sound, one breath, no breaking. Feel the spark run through the ground. Turkiye, hear us now! Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Stand as one, let the whole world hear. Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Hey, 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 hey. Göğe vur, göğe vur. Hey, hey, hey. Alev al, göğe vur. From Anatolia's mountain flame to every child who dreams the game, we carry names they'll never know. In every pass, in every blow, red like fire, white like dawn. We don't fade when the pressure's on. If the walls rise, we climb higher, turn the fear into a choir. Hands up now, the night is shaking. One sound, one breath, no breaking. Feel the spark run through the ground. Turkiye, hear us now! Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Stand as one, let the whole world hear. Alev al, Türkiye, göğe vur. Hey! Göğe vur, göğe vur. Alev al, göğe vur. Stomp the ground, raise the sound, red and white. Light the night. Stomp the ground, raise the sound. One more breath, one more round. When the lights fall low and the road feels long, we remember who we are. We remember every song. For the mother